In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage version history in Google Slides like a pro. Whether you've been collaborating on a presentation or just making significant edits yourself, understanding version history can save you time and help maintain your work's integrity. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your presentation open in Google Slides. Once you're inside your document, head over to the menu bar at the top of the screen. You'll want to locate and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, move your cursor down to Version History, and then select See Version History. Alternatively, if you prefer shortcuts, you might notice a handy little Last Edit link located near the top right corner of your presentation. Clicking on this link will also take you directly to your version history, saving you a few clicks. For those of you who love keyboard shortcuts, and let's face it, they do make life easier, there's an option for you as well. If you're working on a Windows computer, hold down Ctrl, Alt, and Shift simultaneously, then hit the H key. Meanwhile, Mac users can accomplish the same task by pressing CMD, Option, and Shift alongside H. This shortcut quickly opens up the version history for easy access. Once you've opened the version history, a panel will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel conveniently lists all the past versions of your presentation. Each version is accompanied by timestamps and the name of the person who made the changes. This is particularly useful if multiple people are collaborating on the document, as you can easily see who did what and when. As you browse through the versions, you can click on any one of them to preview what the presentation looked like at that specific point in time. If you'd like, you can toggle the Show Changes option, which will highlight the edits made, helping you track what has been added or removed. Should you decide that an earlier version is superior or needed, you have the option to restore it. To do so, simply select the version you'd like to revert to and then click on Restore this version. When you do this, the current version of your presentation will be replaced with the selected one, so make sure you really want to make this change before proceeding. Lastly, organizing your versions can be a game changer, especially if you're working through multiple drafts or phases of a project. You can name key versions to make them easy to identify later. Simply select the version you want to name, then click the three-dot menu next to it and choose Name this version. You might consider labeling it with terms like Final Draft or Before Client Review to reflect its significance. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be efficiently navigating your way through Google Slides version history in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.